We are global leaders in automation control solutions, with over 30 years of automation experience, providing all-in-one controllers with cloud computing functionality, offering solutions for industrial processes on a global scale since 1986. We enable you to save time and money by offering cost-effective solutions and ensuring meaningful data, thus boosting your productivity. Our range of OCS controllers are fully integrated with flexible communication options. Designed around a high-resolution color touchscreen, the XL7 is a high-performance, fully integrated all-in-one controller with built-in HMI, I/O and networking, offering dual Ethernet and CAN ports to further enhance your networking options, making the XL7 a compact, powerful controller. Horner controllers are not limited to their built-in I/O. Our range of expansion I/O help further enhance I/O capacity and communication options. We've made programming your Horner controller even easier. Our free, easy-to-use configuration software offers a fully integrated programming environment. Seascape combines graphical ladder diagram programming with a built-in graphics editor to completely integrate the control package. A single software package to program the complete OCS range. Configuring your hardware, building controller logic and editing graphics has never been easier. Enhanced step-by-step debugging, simulation and online change has made monitoring your control logic even more straightforward. Seascape allows development of control logic in all 5 languages of the IEC standard and offers versatile communication options. Our remote monitoring software, WebMI, allows high-resolution, independent web pages to be published directly from your Horner controller, enabling you to monitor and control your application from any mobile device. We are at the forefront of innovation. Horner APG fully embraces Factory 4.0, seamlessly connecting your devices, enabling your application and data to be reached on many different platforms. Via this secure, connected solution, you have power over remote monitoring and control, analysis, graphics, and data collection. Why waste time and money on multiple products to fit your solution? We constantly strive to provide you with the perfect all-in-one solution for your automation application. Our ranges of all-in-one controllers are widely used across many industries, suitable for a variety of applications. With a broad distributor network all over the world, we bring you quality automation easily and conveniently. As one of the first automation companies to offer integrated solutions, our controllers can provide you with everything you need, including scalability and customization. They are suitable for many diverse industries, such as renewable energies, agriculture, food production, water treatment, and many more. Customer satisfaction is our priority. This is supported by online materials and tutorials, as well as comprehensive technical support and training. With Horner APG, your automation solution just got easier. For more information, call us on +353 21432 1266 or visit us at hornerautomation.eu.